Now we will go over specific safety precautions for the 3D printer stations. The 3D printer head and bed plate generate hot temperatures that can burn skin. Never reach inside the 3D printer while in operation, and ensure 3D printing is completed and the printer has cooled before removing a piece. The 3D printer has several moving parts, and adjusting these during operation can damage the printer, the object being printed, and you. Never adjust or move the printer while in operation. Turn off the printer before doing so. Always control the printer with the touchscreen on the front of the machine or the power switch in the back. You may notice a different smell when printing with PLA. These are non-toxic fumes. Still, to be safe, use the 3D printer in a well-ventilated area and avoid inhaling fumes. Be sure to refer to manufacturer's instructions if using other filaments.